Curious about real estate investment opportunities in Sarnia Lambton? Stay tuned as we break down real estate investment trusts, how they work, why they matter, and how they can help you grow your wealth without owning property directly. Welcome to Blue Coast Realty, your trusted experts in Sarnia Lambton real estate market. Whether you're buying, selling, or exploring investment opportunities, we provide the insights you need to make informed decisions. In today's video, we are diving into real estate investment trusts, or REITs, an alternative way to invest in real estate without the responsibility of property ownership. What are REITs? Think of REITs like mutual funds for real estate. Instead of owning a single property, investors can pool their money to invest in income-generating real estate like apartments, office buildings, shopping centers, and more. REITs generate revenue through rent and property management, then distribute profits to investors. How do REITs work in Canada? In Canada, REITs follow strict rules to maintain their tax-exempt status. They must distribute all taxable income to investors, typically in the form of dividends. This makes them an attractive investment option for those who are looking for consistent income while avoiding the complexities of direct property management. Types of REITs. There are several types of REITs to choose from. Residential REITs. They invest in apartment complexes and rental properties. Second, commercial REITs. They focus on office buildings and shopping malls. Third, industrial REITs. They specialize in warehouses and logistics centers. Fourth, healthcare REITs. Invest in hospitals and medical facilities. Retail REITs. They own shopping centers and retail spaces. Specialty REITs. They focus on niche markets like storage units and data centers. Now, public versus private REITs. Public REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them easily accessible for individual investors. Private REITs, on the other hand, are not publicly traded and typically require higher minimum investments. While public REITs offer liquidity, private REITs may provide higher returns, but they come with increased risk. Why consider REITs in Sarnia Lambton? Investing in REITs can be an excellent way to diversify your portfolio while gaining exposure to Ontario real estate market. Here's why they're worth considering. Number one, diversification. Spread your investments across multiple properties. Number two, accessibility. Start with a small investment unlike traditional real estate. Number three, income potential. Earn steady income through dividends. Number four, inflation hedge. Property values and rental income tend to rise with inflation. Number five, liquidity. Public REITs can be easily bought and sold, unlike physical properties. Now, tips for investing in REITs before you invest. Keep these key factors in mind. Do your research. Look into REITs portfolio management and performance history. Check occupancy rates. Higher the occupancy means stable income. Review debt levels. Lower debt to equity ratios are generally safer. Understand market risks. Economic conditions can impact REIT performance. Diversify your investments. Consider different types of REITs for balanced exposure. Insights for home buyers and sellers. REITs are not just for seasoned investors. If you are a home buyer in Sarnia Lambton, REITs offer a way to invest in real estate without the commitment of homeownership. If you're selling a home, REITs can help you stay connected to the real estate market while diversifying your financial portfolio. Interested in learning more about real estate investment opportunities in Sarnia Lambton? Contact Blue Coast Realty today for expert guidance on buying, selling, and investing in Ontario real estate market. Let's build your financial future together.